Lords of Chaos Gaming. Today we're gonna be checking out Neca's Tmnt cartoon line. I got the jackpot to show you guys. I got Chrome Dome. He's a beefy ass figure too. Look at that. Here's the back of the package. Here's the side of the package. And I got wing nut and screw loose. Here's the package. So I'm about to grab inside the box with the wing nut. Here's back the bottom of the box. Pause that for you use it. Here's the other side. Screw loose. Promo pick. And dirtbag groundchuck. These are some beefy figures right here. Look at dirtbag. Inside the bar, behind the box. You can pause that and read it if you want to. And here's a promo pick of groundchuck. I actually got lucky on these because me and my brother went to the gym yesterday, and then he's like, "You want to check out Target?" And it's like, all right. I didn't have high hopes, so once we got there, there they were. They were like fully stocked, and then the thing that sucked was I forgot my wallet, so we had to go back and rush and get some. Surprisingly, no one picked them up. Like no one picked up the figures until we got there. There's people actually like looking at the figures at Target, and we got lucky right there. So let's unbox these and then check out the articulation and the detail, and then we'll take some pictures. We have a groundchuck and dirtbag out of the package. But these guys, you gotta be careful because I was trying to move them around and they're really stiff, and we gotta be very careful because, you know, Neca, you gotta warm him up. See how stiff his arm is? I gotta be very careful. His mouth does articulate. You know, this is groundchuck. These are freaking phenomenal though. Look at the paint job. Look at that detail in the shoulder pad. A little closer detail of these figures, and then we'll take the articulation, but we gotta be very careful. Check articulation. Kind of move them around, loosen them up a little bit, so it does. I don't know, I think how far I could go because his shoulder pad. Let's see if I can get it. Not really that much. There you go, 90 degree. It does have a waist rotation. Yeah, up punch that much. The elbow, yeah. No, his muscles is blocking his bend. There you go. Arm swivel, head rotation. Yeah, kind of weird. Like I said, his mouth does articulate. So be careful, especially because of paint. Clean up the legs, defense. I think that's how much it can bend. This bends to his feet. Rotate. Bend at the knee. This is articulation is a little weird because the way he's designed. Other than that, he's really dope though, guys. Now with this guy, I'm gonna be very careful with dirtbag because he was the one that was hard to bend because the paint deco. See, this going 90 degrees. The left or the right one's kind of hard to you can't rotate all the way. Nope, only that much. And I'm not trying to break this figure because I got yesterday. Oh, his mouth is articulate also. Yeah, it is going 90 degrees. I'm bending at the arm. Not all the way because I don't know if it's the paint. I'll just rotate all the way. This one's better. It actually bends his double elbow joint here. There's the other one too. It looks like it too, but it doesn't bend all the way. Cause I don't know if it's the paint or it's just too muscular. Stick out the paint. That's how much you can bend. Let's put the hand back. Let's bend his leg. Gotta be careful. That's how much you can bend. Just gotta be very careful, guys. I'm gonna try and bend this figure. That much you can bend, I guess. Bend at the knee. And you can hear that paint chipping already. You gotta be careful with this. Nobody's telling you articulation yet. This tail does rotate. It does have articulation now. Go up and down. Yeah, I'm just blown away by these figures by Neca, but you gotta be very careful. And the prices seem to gone up, guys. Like these 2-pack were $64.99. So I don't know if that's gonna be the legit price for these figures now, because Screw Loose and Wing Nut, they're $54.99. Let's take a look at the detail. There's a foot logo right there and his bicep. Damn, you put a lot of detail and care into these figures. The detail and color. Now let's take a look at this. Their accessories they come with. First we got dirtbag. There's a little tunnel. Look at that detail. And his extra hands. His gun hand. His other open hand. Here's another like gripping gun or gripping hand. And his shovel. Just plain paint job. His gun. And here's his drill gun. Let's see if it has articulation. No, it doesn't move. Let's take a look at groundchuck's accessories. Here's the groundchuck accessories. He's holding a grip hand. Here's the open hand. Other open hand. I was surprised his other hands like are different. This has like yellow spikes, and this has like little white spikes. Gripping hand. And I don't know what is this. What's this? I don't know what's this. Remote communicator or something. And his bull gun. It's pretty cool. Look at that detail. That was it, guys. Now let's take some photos.